Should I play Minecraft or am I? Indications say yes. Are you a cow? Made a cow noise, I heard you. You're not slick. That's what I thought. Nothing gets past me, alright? Quick shout out. Shout out to, what's his face? Charlie McAlpin, and the Leprechaun. I mean, Noah, Calderon. I'll put a picture of him on the screen. Oh, and Atticus. People were coming over to me like in lines. Like they were coming over to me in lines. They were ready. They wanted me to sign their yearbook. True story, actually. If you don't believe me, you can ask people. They're coming up to me and they're asking me, "Oh, Brody, or Bro Big too. Can I sign your yearbook?" And I was like, I might eat a steak with my bare hands soon, like today. I don't know, maybe I'll do it on camera. My boy, who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? Yeah, that's right. That's right. That's right. Yeah, I'll beat you up. I'll beat you up, my boy. Yeah, yeah. That's right. That's right. You know, I tried to tell my friends to come Bigfoot hunting with me, right? And they said, "Oh, like camp in the neighborhood, right?" And they said, "No way, Jose. I don't want to go camping with you. I don't know what's the dealio. Why not, you know?" Alright, cool. That guy was a goner anyway, so... Too easy for a guy like me. Too easy. It's too easy. Oh no. Jump. Oh no! 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 Yo! Relax, 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 relax. Relax yourself. Relax yourself. Relax, my boy. Relax yourself. Okay, we're just gonna wait out the night here.
Mine, 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 mine. Wait till I get my emeralds right. I had a dream I could craft an emerald weapon. I woke up in the village and I spent it. I told my mom I'd get off in a second, but she knows mining in the cave is my obsession. All these spawners I've traded and collected. If they ban me, the whole economy's affected. The mods are watching.
I got like bug bites all over, bro. I got bug bites on my sack, my man. We're in the trenches right here. This is the trenches. Make sure to smash that like button. Smash that subscribe button. Hit that bell icon so you never miss the video. I wake up in the morning feeling like P. Diddy. I put my glasses in the morning and I hit the city.
With that wood, make a pick so I can get me some coal. Now that my house is lit up, I'ma dig a hole. Talking about gathering up some stone, making a boat of home, building a giant phone. Block dropping, building a big old mansion. Gotta find all that diamond. What else can I mention? Can't stop, play some blocks. Now I'm building around the clock. Tonight I'ma fight every creeper inside. Play some block after block. Pull this like
No. I'm back after that traumatizing death. I got a whole steak. I love a steak, dude. Whoa, what are you? Alright. Finally, Jesus Christ. I'll take a nibble of my steak. Alright. I've seen a YouTube video about this right here. All we gotta do is like press W. There we go. It truly did. Anyways, let's go over here. Let me take another nibble. This has gotta be something, right? Where the hell are we? I don't like this. Whoa! We're living good. Oh no, not another yap. I'm in hell. I've had dreams about this place before. I need to find my friends. It's so cold here. Blah, 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 blah. I don't give a shit. Uh-oh. I don't like this place. I don't like this place at all. Okay, that actually got me. That actually got me, bro. That actually got me. That actually got me. That actually got me. That actually got me now. What you mean hide, bro? I ain't hiding from nobody. Whoa, 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 yeah! That's what I thought! That's what I thought! Yeah! Yeah! Little bitch! Yo, what the fuck is that, bro? What the hell? Oh yeah, shoot at it, shoot at it, shoot at it. Is this like the mastermind, bro? Is this like the master? What the fuck is that? Oh, hell no. Who is bro? Bro's a new character, bro. Yo, play cat, bro. Play cat. Yo, go up to him and hit him. Oh yeah, bro's scared. Bro's scared of us.